The Portland Trail Blazers and San Antonio Spurs will meet up in an NBA Western Conference matchup. This is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Friday night's opening tip scheduled for 8:30 Eastern Time from the AT&T Center. The Spurs have risen from 5-point home favorites to 6 in the market, while the total has also been a mover from 212.5 to 213.5 at SBRodds.com. Portland possesses the third best record in the league, which is a bit of a surprise considering the fact that the team missed the last 2 seasons of the playoffs. Power forward LaMarcus Aldridge leads the team, averaging 23.3 points on 58.3% shooting in his last 12 meetings against the Spurs. And the Trailblazers are actually 13-5 in their last 18 regular season meetings in this series, 16-4 straight up in back-to-back situations, with 10 of those victories coming on the road. And Portland 3-0 straight up and against the spread as road underdogs of 3.5 to 6 points during the 2013-14 campaign. San Antonio is riding a 6-game winning streak, 3-3 against the spread over that span. All 5 starters averaging in double figures. That group led by point guard Tony Parker, averaging 18.1 points a contest, but he's had a rough go of it in his last 7 meetings against the Trailblazers, shooting just 41.5%. That's by far his lowest mark against any NBA foe over that span. The Spurs are 16-5 straight up at home, 10-3 against conference rivals. From a sports betting trend perspective, Portland is 11-5 in the last 16 meetings in this series. I'm going to back the Portland Trailblazers as 6-point road underdogs against the San Antonio Spurs Friday night. This has been another edition of Across the Board here at SBRforum.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports.